And across borders, Nigeria's southwestern state of Lagos has marked the completion of the first phase of a 27-kilometer electric-powered light rail project undertaken by the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation since 2010. The completed tracks of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit Blue Line project span 13 kilometers in the first phase and cover 5 stations. Here are the details of this and other stories making headlines across the continent.
Of the LMRT Blue Line is expected to carry over 250,000 passengers daily when in full operation. The project is a milestone which will greatly improve traffic conditions and facilitate travel of residents in the large metropolitan area in Africa. The construction of the second phase of the Blue Line rail project, which spans 14 kilometers, will be launched immediately after the inauguration of the first phase next month. Huge infrastructure projects like the railway construction will continue to energize the Nigerian economy and promote speedy development. Meanwhile, Egypt and Tanzania are gearing up to celebrate the first filling of the giant hydropower dam of Julius Nyerere, which is being constructed along the Rufiji River by an Egyptian consortium of workers, including Egyptians. The ambitious project of the Julius Nyerere hydropower station has a capacity of 2,115 megawatts and is set to become the largest in East Africa and Africa's 4th largest. The mega dam, whose construction began in 2019, will cost $2.9 billion. The project aims to providing Tanzania with required power and controlling river flood. The electricity generated via the 400 kV high voltage power line will be transferred to a substation where the electricity will be integrated into the country's national electricity grid. Finally, South Africa's rand firmed in early trade today as the US dollar softened due to a pickup in risk sentiment. The rand traded at 17.1400 against the dollar, 0.1% stronger than its previous close. The dollar index was last trading down around 0.4% at 103.84. The government's benchmark 2030 bond was slightly stronger in early deals, with the yield down 2 basis points to 10.190%. Terry Njenga, Lunchtime News.